Is this fairly typical, like, rally day?
Yes, always in a hurry. Always in a hurry.
We just got the engine in early this morning. We got it loaded up on the trailer and are heading down.
My name is Colin Schultz. I'm the driver of the 608 Rally Bee.
Why am I here? To help out friends. I mean, why would you not want to be here?
I'm Jake Carlson. I am one of the co-drivers for 608 Rallysport.
Anyone's willing to lend a hand, and I love it.
I got a bunch of the wiring done, fuel stuff, a bunch of that all done.
Rally is just like, it's one big family. It's crazy.
Let's see what we can do launching out of here.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. You have 120, then a right.